We get a lot of questions about how to add voiceover to things, and Canva presentations is pretty high on that list. It's super simple to do. There are two ways to do it. The first way is to record your whole presentation and record a voiceover on top of it. The second way is a little bit more advanced, but you can add a voiceover to each individual slide. Let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up Canva, and you're going to want to get to the presentation that you want to add voiceover to. I'm going to add voiceover to this presentation right here. Now that we're here, we're going to go up to the Share tab right here. Click See All and go to Present and Record. And click on Go to Recording Studio. And you have an option here to add your face to the presentation if you want. Instead of just recording your voiceover, you can actually record a video of you talking. I'm going to go with no video today, so I've selected no camera, and I've selected my MacBook Pro microphone built in. I'm going to hit Start Recording. A little countdown happens, and we start our presentation. Welcome to our presentation on adding VO in Canva. Thanks for coming to our TED Talk. I hit End Recording, and it uploads your recording to Canva. You then have the option of either downloading the recording of your presentation or copying a link to share to that presentation. I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to go up to my browser, paste that in, hit Enter, and here's my presentation. Welcome to our presentation on adding VO in Canva. Thanks for coming to our TED Talk. Not bad. And that's the first way to add a VO to your Canva presentation. So sorry to interrupt this video, but we wanted to let you know that this video is sponsored by us, Voices. If you don't already know about us, you can use our platform to audition for voiceover jobs or hire voiceover artists. And once you're on the website, make sure you check out our AI studio. Head to our website and sign up for free today. We'll leave the link in the description. Now, back to the video. Now, here's the second way that you can add voiceover to your Canva presentation. It's a little bit more advanced, and you have to record your voiceover ahead of time. But it gives you a little bit more control because you can add your voiceover to each individual slide. First thing you do, you go to your Uploads folder, and you navigate over to the Audio tab. I'm going to click and drag my pre-recorded voiceover files into this Uploads folder. There they go. I'm going to click on VoiceOver 1, and it automatically adds it to my first slide. Then I'm going to go over to my second slide, and I'm going to click VoiceOver 2, and it automatically adds it to the second slide. And when I hit Present, scroll down here to the Present button, it's going to automatically play my voiceover at the beginning of each slide. Here is our presentation on adding VO into Canva. Now that that slide is done, I can take as long as I want. I can add more information in my presentation if I like, but as soon as I go to the next slide, it automatically plays the second slide's voiceover. Thanks for coming to our TED Talk. And it really is that easy. Now that I'm happy with my presentation, I can go over to Share, click Download, and select MP4 video for my file format. When I click Download, I'm good to make my presentation. And that's really it. It's really that simple. So if this video helped you out at all, share it with a friend who could use it as well. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one.